Hello my dear students, today I am going to share a great news with you all. The NTA, which is the National Testing Agency, which is going to conduct the exam of CUET, has released a notice, a public notice, which says that the last date of submission for the CUET exam has been extended. So you will be getting more time to submit examination form. The earlier date was 6th of May, but now it is extended till 22nd of May and the time will be till 5 p.m. You can submit your form till 5 p.m. on the 22nd of May. Also, the last date for successful fee payment is again 22nd of May till 11:50 p.m. And the correction window where you can edit your form is from 25th of May till 31st of May, which means you will get more time to fill your registration form and submit it, right? Thank you so much.